Hi YouTube and welcome to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka the best looking ugly kid. And today we're at this lovely property in Red Hill, and this is the man cave outhouse, and behind me we're going to have Space Invaders, Pac-Man, that sort of retro gaming there, and there's going to be an arcade machine in the corner, and then on the grey wall behind me there's going to be a Ryu on one side of the TV and a Blanka on the other side. So it's going to be a fun job, this one. But yeah, stay tuned to see what happens. So you can see behind me, I've got Ryu sketched up now. Take you closer. He's outlined. And I've got Blanka in this corner. Then we're going to have the TV in the middle. So I'm going to crack on with Ryu, do as much as I can of Ryu, complete Ryu, and then do as much as I can on Blanka. And then tomorrow we'll come back and finish Blanka and do the retro wall. So, managed to get the hair and the headband done. I've added a bit of fluoro red, so fluoro red in here. And that's just making the headband pop, so it's giving it more energy. And I'm about to start working on the face. So it's taken a little while just to get to the face, but we'll get there. So I'm lightly dusting on the colour onto the face so I can still see where the definition of the face is, and I can add different colours on top. So it's just a light blend at the moment, so I can still see the lines, the guidelines coming through. Right, Ryu's face is starting to take shape and almost ready to start moving down into the rest of the body work, but the face was the most important part. But yeah, I'm happy with the way it's looking. Give you a little close up. So it's coming up to 6 o'clock in the evening. This is as far as I've got. There's a lot of detail going on in this Ryu character. That's why it's taking longer than I thought. But I'm going to try and finish off the chest and maybe a bit of the arm, bring it down a little bit more, and then call it a day. And then I'll come back tomorrow, finish the lower portion of this character, and then right, so it's day 2 of the Streetfighter wall, and I've done the top half, so I'm now going to start working on his chest, his forearm, and get that finished. And then we can move on to Blanka, smash Blanka out, and then Pac-Man and Space Invaders, or just Space Invaders, we'll see. Okay, so we've got Ryu completed, and now we're going to crack on with the Blanka. So I've got to make Blanka look just as sick as the Ryu. At the end I'm going to go around with the background emulsion and just tidy up some of the splats that have happened. There's one there. Just you can see a few about. I'll just tidy it up with the background paint. So I've managed to get the hair on Blanka and the face, and the rest should be plain sailing now. I'm going to try and crack this out in the next couple of hours. But yeah, Blanka's head's done and his hair is looking awesome. I've used some nice fluorescent orange in there. Take it in closer, if you can see that. There's some nice fluorescent orange going on, and I might add a hint of fluoro green to Blanka's skin tones just to make that more vibrant. So we've reached the end of day 2. We've got Ryu over there, Blanka behind me, looking pretty sick. And tomorrow, the black wall is going to get a retro Donkey Kong background with a big Donkey Kong character on there. So we're on day 3, and the client has decided to go with a Donkey Kong themed wall. And the arcade machine's going to go in the corner here. We've gone for a retro background, so the old school Donkey Kong with a sort of mid-school Donkey Kong character, as I feel that that would give it more life rather than a 16-bit Donkey Kong. So yeah, we're going to start. We've got the sketch on the wall, and there's going to be a lot of masking, so I'm going to use a lot of masking tape to get the straight lines for the background. So I just wanted to take a moment to talk you through the process. I'm doing strips with masking tape, so I'm masking it off. Then I'm using this colour, it's called Porto. And then I'm going over it with some fluoro. So this is fluoro pink. And it's going to give it that arcade glow kind of feel, and it will work nicely with the LED lights in here. So I've done the fluoro on these ones. This one's about to get some fluoro, so I'm going to lightly spray it on like that and just go over the Porto magenta colour with the fluoro. So to anyone who thinks my job's easy, think again. I've spent pretty much all day painting this background. I arrived at 9:30 a.m. and it's now just gone 4. But yeah, it's taken all day to do this, masking off. Where the paint's peeled off, that's from the masking tape. It's fresh plaster, fresh emulsion paint, so it's peeled some of it off. So I'm going to go around now and tidy it all up with a paintbrush and the black with the black. Right guys, I'm officially on a long one, late shift today. Just managed to get the background done, it's just gone 5. I'm going to try my hardest to smash this character out as quickly as I can, and yeah, hopefully I don't finish too late. Not doing too badly. I'm storming through the Donkey Kong. It's just coming up to 6, it's about 10 to 6, and I'm going to add some shading to it. So I've got the base colours down. I'm going to start building up the shading. I should hopefully be done by 7. I've really not done that bad. It's just gone 6:30. I would have normally have left by 6. So Donkey Kong's done, and I've just got a couple of little barrels to colour in and maybe a Cosa Nostra sign in the corner, but we're nearly there. So once again, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to smash that like button. I want 100,000 likes.